It was on June 6th, District Court of Guam Chief Judge Francis Tydingco Gatewood ordered the Department of Corrections and the U.S. Department of Justice to work on a proposed schedule to implement a plan to provide adequate health care to inmates and detainees. The order followed a status conference held in May. During those hearings, it was evident a mental health, dental, and medical crisis existed at DepCorp. So what exactly has been done over the last 2 months, and have DepCorp and DOJ been working together as ordered? According to court documents filed by the feds, although the parties did conduct initial conversations about the proposed scheduling order and reported their initial progress to the court in their joint status report of July 18th, further efforts to complete the process were stalled by the territory's lack of engagement. According to the feds, several emails were exchanged between July 31st and August 4th, in which they discussed the possibility of submitting a joint scheduling order. Gov Guam, however, asked the feds to draft the scheduling order, but leave dates blank for it to fill in. Gov Guam was also hoping for the feds to agree to, quote, generous timelines. The feds, however, feel DOC's leadership and medical staff should provide substantive input in the development of the scheduling order, and even recommended the parties exchange proposals and work toward a satisfactory middle ground. On August 4th, the feds provided Gov Guam a draft of their plan, but since then, attempts to follow up by email and telephone with Gov Guam offered no response, inquiry, or outlines. Instead, according to court documents, it wasn't until this past Sunday Gov Guam notified the feds that it would not be able to submit a joint proposed scheduling order. As a result, the United States' ongoing concerns about the territory's commitment to ensuring the adequacy of medical, mental health, and dental care at DOC have only deepened as a result of the territory's inability or unwillingness to either make its own proposal for the scheduling order or to respond to the ideas put forth by the United States. The Department of Corrections has been under a consent decree with the feds since 1991.